Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. Today I got a 2015 Nissan Titan, clean CARFAX. I'm going to walk you around real fast and show you some features on this truck. Good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now we've also ran a complete inspection on this vehicle. We're also going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it as well too. This truck is super clean inside and out. This truck is a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of this vehicle. No cracks or fading in the dash. Your carpet's extremely clean as well too. There's no rust on the bottom of the or on the rocker panels or on the bottom of the doors. A ton of room in the back seat back here. Again, no rips or tears in these seats. No funny smells inside of this vehicle either. Now we also have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Now this truck is going to be equipped with a backup camera, backup sensors, and a tow package. You have the nice bed liner in the back as well. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Another shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the back. Guys, my name is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. If you have any questions on this 2015 Nissan Titan, please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Just let me know. I can help you out. I'd be more than happy to take more photos, another video. Let's hop inside and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks. You're going to have adjustable pedals as well, a power driver's seat. Again, no rips or tears in these seats. Start it up real fast. Got the nice big touchscreen inside. As you can see on the screen, you do have navigation on this truck. You have the nice backup camera there as well. And the truck is four-wheel drive, and it will be equipped with cruise control and Bluetooth. Sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. Guys, thanks for taking the time and watching this video. Please let me know if I can help you out. Give me a call at 309-310-3034. Thank you.